Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a super cute Arctic fox. So those are the foxes that are all white and they live where it's super duper cold. So we're going to start by drawing the eyes, and we're drawing the face at kind of a 3/4 angle, which basically just means that the face is going to be tilted to the side a little bit. So one of the eyes is a little bit bigger than the other for that reason. So we have a semicircle and then a circle inside of the semicircle, and we're gonna go ahead and color in that first semicircle right after we add one more circle if you want it to be extra cute. Honestly, it's optional, but I just think these little details make a drawing super duper cute. So we're gonna go ahead and color that in. And you guys can take your time with this, go slow, no need to rush. Honestly, I'd rather you take your time and make sure it looks good than try to stick with the video. You can always pause and come back when you're ready. But when you are ready, we're gonna go ahead and draw the eyebrows. Draw the eyebrows. And then we're gonna start on the snout. So here's the nose, it's a triangle. Then we're going to add an oval, and we're going to color in everything except for the oval. The oval is going to be the little shine to make the nose really shiny. Then we're going to draw the snout. So this part sticks out, comes back in. There's one part, and then here is the other part of the mouth. And then all we need left for the snout, all of that, all the muzzle and stuff, is this little tongue and then the chin. And then we'll be done with that. So let's go ahead and do the sides of the face. They're going to be really, really fluffy, so we're going to draw some zigzag lines. There's one side, and then we're going to do the other side as well. So zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Awesome. Then we can go ahead and connect it and draw that chin. Then we'll go ahead and draw the top of the head. So we're going to draw some more zigzags for that. Make it extra fluffy because this guy lives in the cold and needs to stay super, super warm. And then we're going to draw the ears. So the ears are pointing like a cat, but they're a little bit rounder. A little bit rounder. Then we can draw the inside of the ears. So here's some more fluffy marks. And then we can finish drawing that triangle on the inside. And then we're going to draw the other ear. Draw the other ear. So again, it's pointy, but it's not too pointy. It's kind of rounded. And then we're going to draw the inside of the ear. And we're going to move on to the really fluffy body. So here we go. Draw some zigzags, some zigzags. There's the chest. We're going to go ahead and draw the arms. So we have this line that goes in. We have this line that goes out, curves back in for the paw. Then we can do this other side, which has some fluff on it, and then comes back down. Then we'll add 2 lines for the toes. And we can draw the other paw. The other paw is up in the air, so this part goes up and then this part goes back up too. And then to finish it off, we'll add those 2 lines for the toes. So the first 2 paws, the front paws, are done. We just need to do the ones in the back. So this line's for the tummy. And then this is the start of the hind leg. So curve line in, curve line out, curves back in. Zigzags for the end of the leg, and then this part goes back out. Draw the toes. Then we're going to draw that very last paw. We're just going to draw one toe because this one's kind of off to the side. We can't see the whole thing. Then we're going to draw the back curved line. And then last but not least, we need to draw that really, really fluffy tail. So let's make it extra, extra fluffy and extra, extra long. Zigzag, zigzag, lots of zigzags. And then this part comes out to meet at the end. Then when you're done, you can go ahead and color. The inside of the ears are pink. Add a little bit of blue for shading to make it look extra cool. And there you have it.